Now we're gonna take a look at Brighton Beach after Hurricane Sandy. And I'm gonna walk up to the boardwalk right now. As you can the water rushed into the restaurant and flooded the basement of this building. This is where I live. Some kind of a boat. I don't know where it came from. A lot of garbage on the beach. Let's see what's happening. The Oceana Towers here, the luxury buildings, they apparently paid to have a sand barrier built around, you know, the entrance to there. So let's see if they took any damage. Honestly, I think they should have filled it with sandbags, not just sand, because the wave can just wash it away. But the boardwalk, all the sand. Metal detectors. see how much damage the wave brings. Yeah, that's what's happened when people that never dealt with hurricanes didn't send there, you know. Those are the buildings they were trying to protect. Most of the population is extremely happy. I don't know why. I guess because they survived. The main reason they built the sand barrier is because the entrance from these buildings to the beach goes under the boardwalk. So they built that right now non-existent sand barrier. This is all that's left from it. Oh my god. Wow. So this is it's a swimming. This is the door. Wow. Wow, wow, wow.
That is.
So, wow. Yeah. The sand barrier didn't help. And it became a swimming pool. Muddy water. As you see these wooden barriers, that's how people were supposed to go to the beach from under the boardwalk. And right now there's no way, unless they like to swim, they can make it to the beach. Tale of waste of money and resources.